Alright, so this is going to be a quick video as to how you guys can actually earn money from this application right here. So I'll throw out some testimonials over here right now as to how much some people are actually earning right now, right? So this is quite legit, right? It is legitimate. People are actually earning money from this application, and I'll hop onto it as soon as possible, right? Actually, currently, right, I'm actually playing it right now as we speak, right? So I've been playing for like, a good 1 day or so, 1 hour. Actually, not even 1 day. I mean, I've downloaded it for 1 day, but I've only played for like 1 hour to 2 hours or so, and I'll show you guys later on inside my phone, inside the dashboard, because I kind of like downloaded an application in my phone. So you guys can actually use iPhone, you guys can use the Android, you guys can even use the desktop version as well. Yeah, so it's quite versatile. There's a lot of variety. It actually fits into whatever it is that you're doing, so that's a good thing, right? That's a good sign. So everybody else can make money online with this application right here, Pawns.App, right? Pawns.App. That's what we're talking about right now. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my phone dashboard, alright, and I will show you guys what am I doing in order to earn money right now. Okay, so let's dive into it. Alright, so welcome to this application, which is Pawns.App. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick introduction as to how you guys can go about earning money from this application right here. Okay, so first things first, $3 in referral gifts right here. So if you guys were to refer people, and if they were to use your code or your referral link, right, you guys can earn $3, right? So that's a good thing. Alright, so as per usual, if you guys want to get started with this application as well, I'll be sure to include my my referral link down below. Okay, so, and I believe that you guys will also be earning $1 or $2. I can't really remember. Yeah, I will show you guys later on as well. Okay, so the next thing is currently as well, if you're still watching at this period of time, right, November period, they're actually running like a promotion, right? Earn 2x cash rewards from games. Okay, so you guys can actually earn more money right now in this period. Maybe it has to do with maybe Black Friday, things of that nature. I'm just guessing, I'm assuming, right? Maybe they will be giving out a different promotion next month as well, or maybe other different months. I don't know, I'm not too sure. Okay, so next thing is you guys can also earn money from sharing your internet. So you guys can see right here, right, my internet sharing is connecting. I'm currently trying to actually get my internet shared, and then you guys can also earn money from doing this, right? So if you guys are at home, you guys are connected to your Wi-Fi, you guys can just share your internet, and then you guys can earn money, right? Simple as that. You guys don't even need to do anything, right? This is as close as it gets to passive income, straight up, right? Literally, you don't even need to do anything. You can be working or sleeping, right? Doing anything else, exercising, cooking, doing your household chores, and then you guys can just turn this on and then just share your internet, and then you'll be able to earn money straight up. Easy as that. Okay, so the next thing over here is, okay, this is my balance. So obviously it was $0, and then I have $1.40 so far. Alright, so this is what I've earned so far from doing surveys and games. Yeah, so these are the main two things that I'm actually doing. Actually, there are 3 things in total. So there is like games, and then there's like surveys, and then the other thing would be sharing of the internet. Yeah, so these are the main things, and of course the other thing will be referral earnings over here as well. Alright, so if you guys want me to earn more, you guys can use my link below so I can earn more over here, right? Thank you very much for your support. And then, so the minimum payout amount is $5. So if you guys want to, pay out, you guys have to actually earn and wait until $5. Get $3 and give $3. You earn 10% of every payout. So that's a good thing. Alright, so as per usual, this is my referral code 9421262. Please use the code, please and thank you. And then the last thing is there's a blog. Oh yeah, I want to show you guys this thing as well. So over here, yes, as per usual, like what I mentioned, $5 is the minimum payout. And then the other thing is the Pawns.App will pay you 0.2 cents per 1 gigabyte of shared internet connection. And then this is the main thing. It is safe, right? Yes, we don't have access to any of your personal data, and we safely encrypt your internet connection. Our app is approved by Google, Apple, and Microsoft as safe to use software. Hey, it's as safe as it gets, man. It is as safe as it gets. Alright, so you guys don't have to worry in case you're worried about your data getting stolen or being shared or being sold. That's the main thing that we are all concerned about. So next thing is, can I use more devices from the same account and IP? You can double or triple your earnings by using multiple devices with the same account, as long as these devices have different IP addresses. So keep that in mind. And then lastly is, how does it work? The Pawns app pays you for using your internet connection, Your internet data is used by companies around the world to run complex tasks and research. That's cool. That's cool. So this is the interesting part. Let it load a little while. Alright. Okay, so like mentioned on earlier, right? There is the survey section and then there are the game section as well. So over here, you guys can see survey, 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 survey. Everything is survey over here. And this is the amount that you can potentially get. So another thing that I want to bring up as well is that, as per usual, right? I would like to say that the top speaking countries, right? The big four, big five. I think it's big five. So countries such as like US, UK, Australia, New Zealand, and Canada. These five countries, right? Most of the time, right? I may be wrong, right? I may be wrong. Don't quote me on this. I may be wrong. They tend to earn more from these make money online applications or make money online surveys, things of that nature. So, but one thing is for sure is that US will typically earn more. Yeah, so if you guys are from the US, if you guys are based over there, you guys use this application, you guys are lucky. You guys will be able to earn more. Will be able to earn more than what you are seeing right now. Because I'm based in Asia, so I don't really have like $1 plus survey. There's one over here. It's almost $2, right? 1.944. So that is as close as it gets. And then another one is $1 over here. And the rest is like less than $1. Yeah, so that sucks for me, right? It's unfortunate for me. So if you guys are like from the US or like the top 5 countries that I mentioned earlier on, right, you guys let us know, comment down below which country you're from, and then if you actually download this application, let us know how much you're actually earning per survey. Yeah, so that is the interesting part that I want to know as well. Yeah, so please and thank you, let all of us know, comment down below where you're from and how much you're actually earning per survey. Okay, and then the other thing is over here, like I said, earn 2x cash rewards from games. Let's give it a quick click, right? Earn double rewards from games all November. Alright, so this is the thing that I'm trying to tell you guys for this month. I mean, November is gonna end, I know. So if you guys actually are watching this before November ends, quickly hop onto this application, because you guys can expect to earn 2 times your money. Okay, so over here on top of this section right here, the part where I'm scrolling, Torox, Joe, what is this called? AYE Studios, BitLabs, RevU. Alright, so these are I believe they are the companies that are offering the games and surveys as well. Alright, so let's give this a quick click. Torox right here. So these are the offers section right here, and then right here is all the games. Right, you guys can see Puzzles and Chaos, Frozen Castle, Sea of Conquest, Pirate War, Uno, Rock and Cash, Casino Slots Game. The list goes on and on and on. Alright, so the other thing is, you guys can see as well at the side of it, right, at the right side, up to 94 USD, up to 29 USD, 7 USD, 2.2 USD, 42 USD. Not too shabby, man. Not too shabby. That's definitely a good thing. Okay, so another thing is, Climb the Mountain. Wow, this is a game that I used to play from another application, right? I believe the application is called Free Cash. Yeah, so Free Cash is also another make money online application. Yeah, it's the same concept, I believe. Okay, and then let me show you guys the game that I'm actually playing right now. And to be honest, right, straight up, if I'm being dead honest, I actually enjoy playing this game. Okay, so let's go over to my activity right here. You guys can see Love Water Color Sort Puzzle in progress, right? In progress. So like I said, I've only played this game, or I'm only on this application for like 1 hour to 2 hours. So it's not too long. Alright, so this is why it's legit, right? Because you guys can see over here, I've already earned like 5 cents right here, and then I've earned like 8 cents right here, USD. Right? So obviously there are like requirements that you need to hit before you can actually earn the amount of money that you can earn over here. So there's like event 1, event 2, event 5, 8, 12, 17, 23, and 30. So 30 would be 12 USD, right? Not too bad, right? Not too bad. You guys can already withdraw with this amount already. But the thing is that for this game, right? Okay, like I said, this game I actually enjoy it. I thoroughly enjoy it. I honestly enjoy it. So basically, how this game works is that you guys can see over here at the top left corner, you guys can see this GIF, right? The icon beside the Love Water Color Sort Puzzle. It's basically just have to like fill up and match the colored liquid into the bottle, and then once you fill up the bottle, you basically win, right? You win, you clear that for that level, right? So there's like what, blue, orange, green, white, and this pinkish color. Yeah, so as the level progresses, you will actually get more colors, right? You get like brown, purple, yellow even. Yeah, I believe. So it's interesting. It is not exactly something that you need to think too much, but it stimulates your brain just enough to make it enjoyable. Let's just put it that way. Yeah, because for me personally, I don't know about you guys, man, but for me, right, I just want to play something, right? Whenever I play games, I don't want it to be too stressful. I don't really want to think too much, right? I mean, when I'm playing games, I just want to chill. I just want to chill. I just want to like, don't think too much. The whole point of this, right, is to be entertained, right? I do not want to be thinking too much, especially when I'm playing games right here. Okay, so this is something that I really enjoy. If you guys want to try this out, try it out. If this game is available in your whichever country you guys are from, so remember to go to TORX and then Love Water. Oh, I also did surveys as well. So the other thing is that, okay, I've already completed, so I don't think I can actually, okay, can I actually see over here history? Yeah, so there are a couple of things where we are actually not able to do, because for the surveys, right, they actually try to qualify you for different surveys, so you're not actually eligible for all of the surveys that you want to do. Yeah, because before the survey begins, right, they actually give you like kind of like a pre-qualifying questions if you actually qualified for particular surveys. So they will ask your birth date, and then they will ask like your employment status, whether you are unemployed, whether you're self-employed, whether are you like what, part-time, or maybe you are full-time, or maybe you're looking for a job, things of that nature. And then how much is your median household income, I believe, and then how many people are living in your household, things of that nature, right? All those basic family background information. So I believe that's how they try to qualify you. And then if you are successful, if you are the type of person that they are looking for, oh, they also ask for your job as well, your current occupation, and also things such as like what is your how much authority you have in your said role, or in your company or in your organization. Yeah, so that is interesting. So there are some surveys that I tried to enter, but it was unsuccessful. So as you guys can see, right, the orange colored one, those are unsuccessful. Yeah, so I basically wasn't qualified, right? I wasn't being qualified to do all of them. Yeah, so for the others, right, successful, the green colored ones, those are the ones where I am successful. Yeah, so that's why I earn like what, 8 cents, what, 0.02, 0.05, yeah, 20 cents, yeah, 20 cents. So these are the main two ways in order to make money with this application: surveys and games. Yeah, surveys and games. So that is basically it. And yeah, over here there are different, like I said, companies over here. Let's give it a quick look. BitLabs right here, games and offers. So it's all the same thing, right? It's just same. They also have it, Love Water over here. They're the same game over here. Yeah, so this is interesting, and it's just the same concept, right? Basically, how they earn money, right, is that you play the games, and then afterwards they will play advertisements inside as well. So you just have to wait for them to play the advertisement, and then once you play the advertisement, you complete it, right, and then you will be able to move on and carry on playing the games. And that is also, I believe, how they actually earn money as well, from playing the advertisements to you guys. Yeah, and then maybe, I don't know, man, maybe get a cut from it, from the advertisements that is being played. I think so. I'm not too sure, but they definitely earn money from the advertisements that's being played in their games. Alright, so next thing is the quest over here. So these are like, rewards or lucky draw. Yeah, actually I can spin right now. Yeah, I can just spin the wheel right now. Alright, I'm gonna spin right here. Let's give it a quick spin. Alright, wish me luck. Spin for 10. Let's do this. Alright, come on, big money, big money. What's this? Calendar? What does it look like, a calendar? Oh, 3 extra tickets for the ongoing lucky draw. Okay, sure, thank you very much. But I don't really earn money, right? Okay, I will only earn money if I get 500 points or 1000 points. So, better luck next time. Lucky draw right here. Welcome to the lucky draw. Grab your tickets, choose your price, and hang tight. Blah 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 blah. Alright, can I do it? 3 days. Can I do it? Alright, I'm gonna give it a shot. La 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 la. Close. What? I don't have enough points to buy this many tickets. Alright, so the community section right here. So this is just basically the referral code. Alright, so the referral link right here, QR code, social media posts, and you can find them over here at their YouTube channel, Discord, Instagram, X, Reddit, and their own personal blog. And then leaderboards over here. I think this is the referral. Sorry, this is just like in general, I think. Yeah, they just mentioned the scores, but they never mention how much they actually earn. So, oh well. and then profile is just your profile. That's it. Nothing much into it. Click the first link at the description box down below, and I'll share with you guys and show you guys how much I actually earn from this application right here. Alright, so see you guys inside.
But wait, there's more.
So you guys will see all those YouTube videos talking about, you can earn this amount, you can earn that amount, you can earn this amount in a day, in a month, things of the nature. If you guys really want to find out whether do these make money online videos work or not, you guys click the first link at the description box down below. I'll be sharing with you guys, the truths and nothing but the truths, right? The reports as to how much you can actually earn. How much you can actually earn is one thing. Can you actually earn as well? That's the main thing. Okay, so it's all inside here. All the reports, if you may. The reports of let's try to make money online. You guys already watched most of my videos. They are mainly about making money online, right? So I always go around trying out different make money online videos all over YouTube, and then I just document them inside here. Alright, so if you guys want to know and find out whether do they work or not, click the first link at the description box down below. I've really give you guys a clear and written report all over here. I waste my time, so you guys don't have to waste your time. Okay, so click inside, and then the other thing as well is that if you guys really want to earn big money, right? You guys really want to earn the proper money, right? If you guys really want to truly make money online as a beginner in 2024 or 2025 and beyond, as a beginner as soon as possible, let me show you guys how much you guys can actually potentially earn right here. Alright guys, so these are the amount that people are actually earning with school community, with their own school community, and you guys can have the chance to be featured over here as well. Okay, these people are actually like what, $250 per month, $228 per month, $1,000, sorry, yeah, 140k, 135k, 128k, 100k, things of nature. This goes on and on and on, right? So these are MRR, right? I say this is the monthly recurring revenue. They don't exactly have to start from scratch or zero the next month. It always recurs every single month. So that's the beauty of this school community. Okay, so if you guys want to learn how to actually make money online, doing having your own school community basically, and basically just sharing the things that your expertise, your hobbies, your passion, whatever it is, right? Whatever it is, there's so many different kinds of communities over here that are actually earning money. Alright, so if you guys want to try it out, I have a free course about it as well. Join the link at the description box down below. There's a free course about it as to how you guys can get started doing it from A to Z. Okay, and if you guys want help as well from me, you guys can DM me personally inside the school community. I'll make sure to reply to you guys as well and help you guys out to set up your community. See you guys in the community, and let's get to earning.